welcome to our installation guide for our project Language Quest. So, to begin, you're first going to want to go to our documentation site where you'll be able to look at our Language Quest documentation PDF. And once you are in the PDF, you're going to want to scroll down through the PDF until you get to the installation guide. And to begin with, we're going to start with the installation guide for developers. So you're going to go ahead and go to the Unity official download site, and you're going to download Unity for Windows. And once you go click the download button, you're going to download Unity, and then you're going to follow the setup wizard to install the Unity Hub. And then once you have Unity Hub installed, you're going to want to open up that Unity Hub, and you're going to want to create an account and a Unity account. And then once you create your Unity account, it's going to look something like this. I already have an account, so it's not going to be exactly like this, but you're going to see this install page. And in the install page, you're going to want to go to click on install editor. And then it's going to show you some recommended one. And you're going to want to go to archive because we are a little behind from the newest version of Unity. You're going to want to visit their download archive tab, and that is going to take you to their download website where you can see all the different versions of Unity. And you are going to want to select Unity 1.3. You're going to want to select 1.3.f1, which is this one right here, and you're going to go ahead and install it and follow the setup wizard for that as well. It's going to bring you into the Unity Hub where you can choose to install, and it's going to install everything that you would need to run this version of Unity. Once you finish installing that version of Unity, you are then going to go to our GitHub, where you can go ahead and download our repository. In our GitHub repo, you're going to go ahead and select the code button. And then you can either choose to download the project as a zip or to clone the repository. In this case, we are going to download the zip file. And then you're going to want to open up the zip file once you're done downloading it. It's going to look like this once you open up the file. And there's going to be a button up here that says extract all, and you're going to select that and then extract into whatever folder you would like the project to be in. Once the project is fully extracted, it is going to look like this. And then you're going to want to return to your Unity Hub page. And you're going to want to go into your projects. And you're going to want to go to add project from disk. And then go ahead into your files. And you're going to open up your language quest main is the file that you downloaded. And you're going to want to open up that Unity file and Unity project that you downloaded. And right now it is loading, waiting to open up. It is going to take a while for the initial download of that Unity project. Once the project loads up, it's going to look like this. And in order to start the game, you're going to want to go to your projects tab, and scroll down until you see scenes. And once you are in scenes, you're going to select main menu, and then you can go ahead and play the game, and you should be able to play it on the game tab. And you can also explore all our resources, our art, our audio, our scripts, and our many different scenes as well if you just want to see one scene at a time. And then once you press the start button, it's going to be in the game view. You can go ahead and click everything. And this will start the game. And that would be it for the developer guide. And now we're going to go ahead and get into the user installation guide. Now, if you go back to our project documentation and you can continue to scroll down, you're going to see our installation guides for users. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the Google Drive link provided by us, and you're going to download the zip file. And you're going to download anyways. And then you're going to want to open up our build zip file. And once it's finished downloading, it's going to look like this. And once again, you're going to select that extract all button and extract it to whatever folder you wish to have it extracted to. And once it is extracted, you're going to go ahead and double click on that folder that is called Language Quest Builds. And then you're going to double click on the application called Language Quest. A pop-up is going to pop up talking about Windows protected your PC. Unfortunately, I can't show this because it is part of the administrative part of things. You're just going to select more info and run anyways. And that will pop up the game for general users to be able to go through the game and select what they need to select. And you should be able to go through the game, select everything that needs to be selected. You can also quit the game or you can start the game. And that's how you begin for the general user guides.